Want to double-check your Telegram email or maybe update it to something more secure? In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to find out exactly which email you have connected to your Telegram account and how to change it if you need to. By the end of this video, you'll have complete control over your login email so you don't get locked out or miss important notifications. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Telegram app. Now look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see what's called the hamburger menu. That's the icon with 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. If you're using Telegram on your phone, just tap that, but if you're on your computer, click it with your mouse. The hamburger menu is basically your gateway into all your Telegram settings and features, so it's always the first step when you want to change something important. After you click the hamburger menu, you'll see a list of options pop out from the side. You're looking for Settings, which usually has a little gear icon next to it. Go ahead and tap or click on Settings. Now this is where all your profile options live, everything from your profile photo to notification controls. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it controls who can see your info, who can contact you, and how you log in. Give that a tap. Sometimes menus like this can look a little overwhelming, but just move at your own pace. If you ever get lost, just back up one step. Now inside Privacy and Security, you're going to look for an option called Login Email. It might be a little farther down the list, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit. Login email is the setting that shows which email is currently connected to your Telegram account. Once you spot it, go ahead and tap on it, here, where you get to see your connected email. Take a good look. Is it an address you still have access to? If you need to, this is exactly where you can update your email address. Maybe you created your Telegram account years ago with an old email and want to swap to your main inbox. No problem. All you need to do is tap on the email, clear out the old one, and type in the new address you want to use. Telegram will likely send a confirmation to your new email just to make sure it's really you requesting the change. So check your inbox and follow the link if that comes up. That's really all there is to it. I know it's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your account safe and making sure you're always in control. Don't worry if you take a minute or two to find the menus. Everyone has a slightly different Telegram layout depending on their device. If this helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you have any questions or get stuck, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.